Have you ever wondered what would happen if the United States possessed a plane capable of reaching Mach 10, more than 10 times the speed of sound? This speed not only surpasses all current technologies, but also allows the plane to penetrate and exit enemy airspace before the radar even has time to react. Recently, the US has revealed the first details about an extremely secretive hypersonic aircraft project, Project Mayhem. So what is it? Could this be the weapon that makes every adversary cautious? Let's dive into this top-secret technological marvel. The US has long been renowned for its groundbreaking advancements in aviation technology. From the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, once dubbed the fastest plane in the world, to today's secretive projects, the US military continues to upgrade its hypersonic capabilities. But why is all this technology so important? In a world full of threats, having hypersonic aircraft is not just an advantage, it could be the decisive factor in warfare. You'd be surprised to learn that even though the SR-71 technology has kept many nations on their toes, the US is ready to develop even more powerful projects, such as the SR-72 and Project Mayhem, with the goal of exceeding Mach 6 speeds. But why Mach 10? Could it be that the US possesses a weapon capable of striking without any nation being able to defend against it? On this journey to uncover these secrets, we will explore three major questions. 1. What is Project Mayhem, and why is it such a classified project? The US is preparing for a future where planes can fly at 10 times the speed of sound, but how is that even possible? 2. How can hypersonic planes surpass all modern defense systems? Mach 10 is more than just a number. It means evading radar and striking a target in mere moments, but is that even feasible? 3. How does the new scramjet engine technology change the game? The scramjet engine is unlike any technology before. It allows air to enter the engine at extreme speeds, helping the plane achieve extraordinary velocity without relying on traditional missile systems. Question 1. What is Project Mayhem, and why is it so secretive? Project Mayhem is a project initiated by the US Air Force, aiming to develop an unmanned hypersonic aircraft capable of reaching speeds up to Mach 10, about 7,673 miles per hour. Unlike previous hypersonic test planes, Project Mayhem is designed to carry both weapons and reconnaissance equipment, allowing it to carry out missions in enemy airspace undetected. A key feature of this plane is its use of the advanced scramjet supersonic combustion ramjet engine, enabling it to operate at maximum speed without needing traditional rocket engines, making it lighter, more agile, and fuel efficient. This project is classified not only due to its Mach 10 speed goal, but also because of its ability to infiltrate and exit enemy defense zones before modern radar or defense systems can react. The aircraft is not just a means of attack, but also an intelligence-gathering tool with highly accurate sensors and reconnaissance equipment. This helps the US maintain a strategic advantage, especially as rival nations are also advancing their military technologies. The Project Mayhem initiative can be seen as a breakthrough in military technology, taking the concept of speed as a weapon to new heights. As military space and technology become more accessible to many nations, hypersonic capabilities will not only protect territories, but also improve proactive defense capabilities. Additionally, an unmanned hypersonic aircraft like Project Mayhem can reduce the risk of personnel loss during dangerous missions. However, the big question remains, is the cost of developing this hypersonic technology really justified by its strategic benefits? With billions of dollars invested, if Project Mayhem succeeds, it will be a dominant tool for the US military. On the other hand, if it doesn't meet expectations, it will be another example of enormous costs with little strategic value. Nevertheless, the US's efforts in hypersonic technology continue to affirm its leadership in global military technology. Question 2. How can hypersonic planes evade all defense systems? Hypersonic aircraft like Project Mayhem aren't just fast, they pose a significant challenge to even the most advanced defense systems today. With speeds reaching Mach 10, Project Mayhem can outrun radar detection, even as the most sophisticated radar systems struggle to respond quickly enough to track its movement. At hypersonic speeds of Mach 10, the reaction time of radar and missile defense systems is drastically reduced. Radar response is much slower than the movement of a plane traveling at hypersonic speeds, making it difficult to predict the aircraft's exact position. Additionally, aircraft like Project Mayhem can be designed with special body angles that reduce radar reflection, similar to stealth technology used in planes like the F-22 and F-35. To fully leverage hypersonic technology, Project Mayhem can fly at extremely high altitudes where the air density is lower, reducing drag and increasing speed. This makes it more challenging for enemy air defense systems to reach the aircraft's operating altitude. Moreover, flying at high altitudes allows the plane to avoid low-level air defense systems and ground-based radars. Scramjet engine, the key to outrunning defense systems. The scramjet engine not only enables Project Mayhem to achieve high speeds, but it also reduces reliance on external support systems, such as traditional missile boosters. This means Project Mayhem can achieve much higher speeds without sacrificing agility. The scramjet engine allows external air to be sucked into the combustion chamber, compressed, and burned at high pressure to create hypersonic thrust. Since it doesn't require liquid fuel like missiles, the aircraft becomes harder to detect through heat signatures, making infrared detection by defense systems ineffective. Project Mayhem's ability to evade defense systems is truly impressive and promises to change the way conflicts are fought in modern warfare. However, several questions remain. Will this technology remain sustainable as other nations heavily invest in non-traditional defense systems like laser and electromagnetic weaponry? Additionally, the cost of maintaining and developing Project Mayhem will undoubtedly be high. To make it operational in real-world scenarios, the US will need to ensure that this technology can function effectively in all combat environments and have the budget to support it long-term. While the project has the potential to revolutionize modern warfare, the question of whether it can maintain its superiority remains unanswered. Question 3. What role does the scramjet engine play in achieving Mach 10? The scramjet supersonic combustion ramjet engine is significantly different from traditional engines. The key feature of the scramjet is that it uses the external airflow at supersonic speeds, compressing it and burning the fuel. Unlike conventional jet engines, the scramjet doesn't use internal compressors or fans. Instead, it leverages the aircraft's extreme speed to suck and compress air directly into the combustion chamber. Incredible acceleration without reliance on traditional fuel. When air enters the scramjet's combustion chamber, it is compressed at very high pressure, and its temperature rises rapidly. The fuel is immediately injected into the chamber, where it burns with the compressed air to generate powerful thrust. Since the scramjet doesn't need to carry a large amount of oxygen for combustion like rocket engines, it reduces weight and increases fuel efficiency, allowing the aircraft to achieve extremely high speeds while maintaining agility. With Project Mayhem, the scramjet engine can help the aircraft sustain speeds of Mach 10, not only in short bursts, but for long enough periods to perform real-world missions. This makes Project Mayhem one of the first vehicles capable of reaching and maintaining Mach 10 with stability, allowing it to carry out missions like penetrating enemy airspace and striking targets before radar can detect it. At Mach 10, the scramjet engine is less dependent on complex navigation systems and moving parts like traditional engines, increasing its stability and safety. Because it uses fewer mechanical components, the scramjet has higher durability and is less prone to technical malfunctions during high-speed operations. The scramjet engine is a breakthrough technology that helps Project Mayhem reach new limits in hypersonic speed. The ability to push the aircraft to Mach 10 without relying on complex fuel systems or traditional engines makes scramjet an ideal technology for high-speed military missions. However, this technology comes with significant challenges, particularly regarding the heat and pressure stresses on the aircraft's body when traveling at Mach 10. With its investment in scramjet engines, the US is not only pursuing speed dominance, but also laying the groundwork for a future generation of hypersonic aircraft. However, this will require continued development in the field of new materials to ensure the aircraft can operate reliably in extreme conditions without sacrificing performance or drastically increasing costs. The US doesn't just aim to dominate in military technology. They want to control the skies with the unimaginable speed of hypersonic aircraft. Project Mayhem, SR-72, and scramjet technology will not only be the ultimate weapon, but also a warning to anyone who dares to challenge this power. Who can stand against an aircraft that moves faster than the imagination itself? What do you think? Will hypersonic technology like this change the future of warfare? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.